What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop and I pulled our 6500 in here. Vinny runs this truck and he does not like the rubber edge on the wing, so we have another wing set up here. We got to pull it out and see if it mounts up. It should. We got our fingers crossed that it does, but we're about to pull the forklift over. If all of the arms are the same, we're just going to take this wing off and throw that one on. If not, we're going to pull this blade off and put a steel cutting edge on it. We have the gun. I'm trying to record over here. We have the gun, the hose, and the socket already. So whether we have to change the blade or change the whole plow, we are ready to go. But I'm going to hop in the forklift, grab a chain, pull that thing out, and see what we got.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we got this steel cutting edge on this plow all bolted on nice and tight. We threw the rubber one over here. It's not garbage. We can throw it on a different truck, or if at some point he wants it back on his, we have it here. Maybe we'll throw it on Rodrigo's truck if he wants one. But we're about to pull this outside. I think Kevin just opened and shut the door, so he's a little indecisive today. Yeah, but this truck is ready to go out. I need to move my truck here. Kev, I got you, don't worry. There you go. But I need to move this, and then me and him are running the dump truck up to Orange County. We ran down to the dealer this morning and picked it up. I don't really know what they did. It just said they cleaned something and checked something, and I don't even know. Something for the four-wheel drive system. I didn't really look at the ticket. I just got it back here, but we have the truck right here, so we got to run this up to Orange County and get the plow thrown back on it. We also have a issue with one of the trucks up there with it, I think, being stuck in four-wheel drive. The old truck that the 4300 replaced, they're having an issue with it, so I got to take a look at that while I'm up there. We also have our salt bin open. We're getting 2 deliveries. They're not here yet, so Rodrigo will take care of that once it gets here. But Kevin's just about to park this truck. He's gonna hop in here and we'll see you guys up in Orange County. All right, guys, we just pulled up to Orange County. Kevin is about to pull this truck out. We have his truck parked behind it, and we have to throw this plow on it. This plow we took off the other day when we were running that truck down to the dealer. So we have snow coming tomorrow. We have to get this on right now. And then in that truck, they're having an issue with the 4-wheel drive. So after we get his plow mounted on his truck, we're gonna take a look at this and see if we can figure out what's going on with that. I have my code reader in my Colorado here, so hopefully it's nothing major and we can figure that out today. Kev, back up a hair. 1 second. Oh no, my camera. Oh, what did I do? I rolled the door down with the camera on here, didn't even realize. What? When I shut the door, it pushed it down. Back it up. 1 second. All right, keep going. Check your power angle. Was it always that slow? Yeah. That's what I said. Oh. No, we're gonna have to look at that. right, guys, so we got them in, and as you can see, it is super tight. We could have tucked this wing up, but there's always a chance of it falling. We could obviously chain it up too, but we didn't have to do that, so we might have to look into parking these trucks in a different arrangement after the storm, but for now it'll work. Let's head out to this truck and see what's going on with the four-wheel drive. All right, guys, so I'm defeated here. We can't figure it out. I have it in two-wheel drive on the little knob here, but the four-wheel drive light is on. We know that we have the hubs unlocked, so at least the front end we know is not in four-wheel drive, but in the transfer case we think it is. So I'm gonna call Matt and see if he can come here one of these days and take a look at this, but for now they're gonna have to use it as is if they need a spare. Tomorrow, well actually tonight technically at 11 p.m. we are coming in. There is another snowstorm, so winter is actually here, and it seems like it might be here to stay. Obviously all the snow has melted since the last one, but we'll be back in tonight making another snow removal video. Hopefully these guys don't run into any issues, and they need this truck, but if they do, they do, and so be it. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.